Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we driving to Stuttgart to the season opening at the MOTORWORLD, and yeah, actually we hope it will be raining a bit, but it's snowing and yeah, really insane the weather. But yeah, today we're looking at some beautiful cars hopefully, and yeah, maybe we have a good day today. So yeah, have fun with the video and let's start it. We arrived in Stuttgart and we are at the MOTORWORLD now and look at some beautiful cars. Also here's an go-kart test drive. It's actually really cool. Have a look at the beautiful cars. They stand here and yeah, let's go. So we got here a Lamborghini STO in a beautiful blue, yeah, really insane. And here we got Ferrari Enzo, and really rare car, but beautiful. But we can't see so much. That's sad. But yeah, really beautiful car. So actually we got there an old Lamborghini Countach, also really beautiful and rare in black. Yeah, beautiful. So actually we got here a new Lamborghini Revuelto next to an 991 GT3. Both beautiful cars, looking really insane. Also the headlights of the from the Revuelto looking really good. Yeah, beautiful. Sick! Wow. GT3 RS 991, beautiful. Also really a dream car. So we got here an M3 CS G80 in matte black. Wow, insane, looking really good. Also with the carbon hood, the carbon seats, everything carbon inside. Wow, the wheels are so beautiful. R8, M2, So here we got an R8 V10 engine and so sick wheels. They're looking perfectly for the car and looking insane. So yeah, beautiful. So and there we got the next Audi R8 GT. The body kit of the R8 GT looking so insane beautiful. In white, insane, really beautiful. Wow. And also the heck spoiler is so beautiful, lovely. So the next cars, we got two GTRs R35s. The black one with the black Nismo wheels, looking insane. Also the left one with the silver wheels, matching perfectly to the orange color of the car. Beautiful.